Unfortunately, the lighting is not very good right now. As you guys can see, it's very cloudy outside, so I'm really not getting much light in here. But we'll keep going regardless. Anyway, hi guys, welcome to this video. For this one, I decided that I would show you my mini art gallery. My bedroom wall, as you can see, kind of. Yeah, there's more on the other side as well, so I'm going to be showing that part. I wanted to introduce all of my pieces, and I will also tell you guys where to find the videos for them, because I did make a video for every single one of them. This wall consists of anime characters, K-pop artists, and K-drama actors. Obviously, I have more paintings that just aren't up on the wall. Anyway, let's just get started. To give you guys an idea, this is what it looks like right now. And this is the other side. First up, we have Rose. I love this picture of her, and I made this in May 2021. Next up, we have Jimin from BTS, and I made this also in May 2021. Oh man, I can't even reach it. It's way too high. Up here, we have Hyunbin from Crash Landing on You, and I made it in March 2021. Next up, this is actually Park Chan-yeol from EXO. I made this in April of 2021. I really like this because this is the first time I played with like lighting, and the fire in the background is actually casting some orange and yellow light on his face and on his clothes, and I really enjoyed painting that. Up here we have Chao Nu from Astro. I made this in March 2021. All the way up there is Mark from NCT. Fun fact, NCT is actually my favorite group. Now I know the plant is covering it, but this is Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titan. Fun fact about this painting, actually, I made it so that Levi looked a little more realistic than normal. And then above him, this is Armin. I added like all these like orange sparks. Background makes it look like it's very dynamic. Before we move on to the other wall, I just wanted to show this because it fell. I wasn't able to put it back up, so here is Aaron with his Titan. For the next wall, Mikasa. Next to her, we have Tanjiro from Demon Slayer, and I actually used 2 reference photos for this. I used the grid method as well. Above him, we have Momo from Twice. The only thing I don't like about that though is the fact that I feel like I painted it a bit too dark. This painting is actually painted with my left hand, if you can believe it. I have a bigger version of this, but I chose to paint this with my left hand to see if I could do it, and it turned out pretty well. Up here we have Lei from EXO. and this is the one where I had a lot of fun with just not sticking to normal boring colors. For that painting, I actually decided to paint it normally at first, and then I got bored of it and I was like, okay, I'll just add in some pop of colors. So then I did, and then now it turned really orange. That was my first time going crazy with the colors and just experimenting, and I do think I like the end result. Second last, we have Jisoo from Blackpink. I used her as my model for my skin tone shades tutorial on YouTube. Lastly, this one is the latest painting. It's the smallest too, I think. It was made in July of 2021, and this is IU. Anyways, so that's it for my mini gallery. I know there's not a lot yet, but I also have a lot of paintings that just aren't up. I have 2 anime paintings on the way. They're a bit smaller, they're like 6x6, but I do hope you guys like them. And please make sure to check out the videos that I literally just talked about. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.